Hello everyone, my name is Brad from Gadgets and Games, and today we are going to be reviewing this beautiful Blue Snowball Ice microphone. This is an entry-level USB condenser mic available from the company Blue. You might know them for making things such as the Yeti, or you might know them for making the Snowball. Alright, included in the box with the Blue Snowball is this small stand you see here. And this is a very sturdy stand. It's got a very nice quality. We can see on the back there where the USB cord that is also included will plug into the back. The Blue Snowball simply just screws off the stand that's included and can be moved elsewhere onto another stand. Here we see the Blue Snowball using the adapter mounted onto the newer scissor microphone stand. It's kind of like a boom arm. I also have a pop filter on there, but it'll adapt to almost any microphone stand, and it has a full range of motion. Beautiful logo. This is the USB cable that's included in the box. It's a very high quality silver. I believe it's a full silver cord. Usually on some of the cheaper things that'll be silver lined and then have copper in the middle or something similar to that, but it feels as though it's a solid, good quality cord, and we can see the plug there that'll attach to the back of the microphone. Overall, for the low price of $50, this is a great quality microphone. And if you found yourself wondering where's the audio test, you've been listening to my voice being recorded off of this exact microphone throughout the entire video. So that should give you a pretty good idea. I'm using the Dragon Pad pop filter as well. I should add that in. But this is a great microphone, and I recommend you pick one up today. You cannot beat the price.